The Great Depression was a worldwide economic downturn that began in 1929 and continued until about 1939. It was the longest and most severe crisis experienced by the industrialized Western world, causing drastic declines in output, widespread unemployment, and deep deflation. It originated in the United States and quickly spread across countries, reshaping economic systems, policies, and institutions while creating large-scale social and economic distress across societies. Great Depression historical background. The Great Depression began as a normal recession in 1929 but soon intensified into a deep global crisis affecting production, employment, and prices across nations. Early economic decline. The downturn started in the summer of 1929 in the United States and worsened by late 1929, continuing until early 1933 with rapid fall in output and prices. Sharp fall in output. Industrial production in the United States declined by 47%, while real GDP fell by nearly 30%, showing the extreme depth of the economic collapse. Severe deflation. Wholesale prices declined by about 33% between 1929 and 1933, indicating a period of intense deflation affecting purchasing power and economic stability. Massive unemployment. The unemployment rate exceeded 20% at its peak in the United States, reflecting large-scale job losses and economic hardship across industries and regions. Global spread. The depression affected almost every country with severe impacts in the United States and Europe, while countries like Japan and parts of Latin America experienced relatively milder downturns. Variation across countries. Great Britain faced prolonged stagnation before entering depression in 1930, while France experienced delayed but significant declines between 1933 and 1936. Commodity price collapse. Prices of key commodities such as coffee, cotton, silk, and rubber fell by nearly half between 1929 and 1930, affecting primary producers globally. Recovery phase. The United States began recovery in 1933, with GDP growth averaging 9% annually between 1933 and 1937, though full recovery was achieved only by 1942. Great Depression causes. The Great Depression resulted from multiple interconnected economic and financial factors that reduced demand, production, and global economic stability. Decline in aggregate demand. The fundamental cause was a sharp fall in spending, which reduced production as businesses faced rising inventories and falling consumer demand. Stock market crash of 1929. Stock prices fell by 33% between September and November 1929, triggered by panic selling on Black Thursday and collapse of investor confidence. Monetary contraction. The money supply in the United States declined by 31% between 1929 and 1933, reducing liquidity and worsening deflation and economic contraction. Banking panics. Four waves of banking crisis between 1932 to 1933 led to failure of one-fifth of US banks, disrupting credit availability and financial stability. Federal Reserve policies. High interest rates and limited intervention by the Federal Reserve warrants the economic decline and failed to prevent collapse of the banking system. Gold standard system. The gold standard transmitted economic decline globally by forcing countries to maintain fixed exchange rates, leading to worldwide monetary contraction. International lending decline. Reduction in the US foreign lending in 1928 and 1929 caused credit shortage in countries like Germany and Latin America, deepening global downturn. Protectionist policies. The Smoot-Hawley Tariff Act of 1930 increased tariffs, leading to retaliatory trade restriction and decline in international trade and global demand. The Great Depression impacts. The Great Depression had far-reaching economic, social, and institutional consequences affecting both developed and developing economies worldwide. Output collapse. Real output fell sharply across countries, with industrial production declining significantly, especially in the United States and Europe. High unemployment. Unemployment level rose drastically, exceeding 20% in the United States and reaching similarly high levels in several other economies. Price deflation. Most industrialized countries experienced price declines of 30% or more, reducing incomes and increasing real debt burdens. Banking systems collapse. Large-scale bank failure destroyed savings and reduced lending, further weakening economic activity and investment across sectors. Decline in trade. International trade contracted significantly due to failing demand and protectionist policies, reducing global economic integration. Financial Instability. Banking crises in countries like Austria, Germany, and Hungary created widespread financial disruption and loss of investor confidence. Social hardship. The depression caused extreme human suffering, including poverty, reduced incomes, and economic insecurity for millions of people globally. Structural changes. It led to major changes in economic policy, institution, and macroeconomic theory, reshaping the role of governments in managing economics. Great Depression global measures. Countries adopted various policy measures to recover from the crisis, focusing on monetary expansion, financial reforms, and abandoning restrictive systems. Abandonment of gold standard. Many countries left the gold standard, allowing monetary expansion and flexible exchange rates, which supported economic recovery. Monetary expansion, increased money supply helped reduce deflation and encourage spending, playing a crucial role in reviving economic activity. Banking reforms. Governments introduced measures to stabilize banks, including inspection and closures of weak institutions to restore public confidence. Interest rate adjustment. Central banks modified interest rate to stimulate borrowing and investment, although earlier high rates had worsened the crisis. International recovery variation. Countries like Britain recovered after leaving gold standard in 1931, while others like France experienced delayed recovery until 1938. Public policy changes. Governments adopted new macroeconomic policies focused on demand management and economic stabilization to prevent future crises. Increased government role. The depression led to greater state intervention in economic management, including regulation of financial institutions and markets. Gradual global recovery. Recovery occurred at different times across countries, with most economies improving after 1933, though full recovery took several years. Great Depression impacts on India. The Great Depression significantly affected the Indian economy, particularly agriculture, trade, and rural livelihood under colonial rule. Fall in agricultural prices. Prices of agricultural commodities declined sharply, reducing income of Indian farmers and weakening rural economic conditions. Increased rural distress. Farmers faced heavy losses as falling prices were not matched by the reduction in land revenue, increased financial pressure on rural households. Gold outflow. Large quantities of gold flowed from India to Britain, with about 1600 ounces per day reaching Bombay port in 1931 to support the British economy. Trade decline. Global contraction in trade reduced demand for Indian exports, affecting sectors dependent on international markets and commodity trade. Debt burden on farmers. Farmers struggle to repay loans due to falling incomes, leading to increased indebtedness and economic vulnerability. Colonial economic policy. British policy did not adequately adjust taxation, worsening economic conditions and limiting recovery for Indian producers. Decline in living standards. Reduced income and employment opportunity led to deterioration in living conditions, particularly in rural areas. Integration with global economy. India's close link with global markets made it vulnerable to international price fluctuations and economic shocks during the Depression.